Trend Tuesday, and the trend I'm going to styling for you today is two trends actually. The first one is puff sleeves. Look at these amazing sleeves on this top. It's all about statement, bold, puffed up volume, and great again if you are quite petite on top. Not ideal if you're quite wide shouldered, I would say, but if you are narrow shouldered, pear shaped, rhubarb and quite petite, then the puff sleeve just adds that element of strength and power to your wardrobe for autumn, winter. I think it's a fabulous trend, and it's all over the high street and a very easy trend to embrace. The other trend to be talking about is check on check. Now the catwalks were all about clashing prints this season. Now plaid or checks are almost a classic print, so we see it time again for autumn, winter, and chances are you've actually got one or two pieces in your wardrobe already. So if you really want to give it that fashion twist, why not wear your prints together? But what I'm going to be doing with this look is, you know me, if you can, add a belt, add a belt. Now these trousers actually came with a skinny black belt. But again, because I'm creating a look and trying to tie the top and bottom together, I have swapped that out and I'm going to add this red belt because I think it just ties everything a little bit more together and also creates a break between the top and bottom of the outfit. So they kind of, the top's connecting with the belt and the belt contrasting with the trousers, but really kind of ties it together. But really it's all about the prints and the puff shoulders in this look. You almost don't need much else in terms of accessories. I have added some red heels. You could do it with biker boots if you wanted to toughen it up and make it look less dressy, but it is really all about the puff sleeve. The thing with the puff sleeve is that it's all about the sleeve, and really putting a blazer over it kind of kills the look. So instead of a blazer today, I've gone with a faux fur because I think actually throw a faux fur on with a look adds that element of texture, stylizes it, the accessories actually connecting with the look rather than just being thrown on to keep you warm. And you could either layer it all the way around for complete warmth factor, or just over the one shoulder if you really want to stylize your look around it. But I always say to my students, you know, in an outfit, if you really want to create their complete look, have a print, have a color, and have a splash of texture, just to create that show-stopping complete look. So there you have it, puff shoulders and check on check.